Hey everybody, it's Christopher. We're here at the Forest Pharmacy and we are in our lab here on the farm today. So I would just want to give you all a quick little tour about we're going to be teaching a Sterile Lab techniques class soon. And so what I have on the table here is I have some plugs that were just recently colonized and broken up. Also have several Petri plates, and then over there we have some slants. So this is an essential piece of equipment for a decent sized lab. Is a laminar flow hood. We have a bactocinerator there, have a scalpel, and we have slants, Petri plates, and I do not have any spawn. Actually, that's not true. I can show you some spawn super quick. So this is a bag of spawn that's still colonizing, and unfortunately I think this one is going to contaminate because it has some very greasy looking grains. So in our Sterile Labs class, what we're going to teach you is how to take a culture from the wild, how to create your own library in the slants, how to create Petri plates of all different varieties, how to tell what contaminants are, such as this one on this plate right here. So that is a contaminant that you do not want. You can also see it on the back side of the Petri plate there. This is Foliota adiposa, chestnut mushroom, and I'll explain what these quadrants mean in the class. This one is a lion's mane. It's really hard to see the mycelium. There we go. You see that mycelium is very wispy. Lion's mane or Hericium mycelium always looks like that. This is what I'm pretty excited about. This is a golden oyster, and it was found growing wild in New York. So we made this Petri plate on March 11th, 2 days after my birthday. So y'all sign up for the class. You get to learn a lot about this equipment, how to build this equipment, and also how to maintain cultures, how to breed mushrooms, and other fantastic, fabulous stuff with lab techniques, and hopefully meet some friends that are interested in the same thing. All right, thanks y'all. Hope to see you soon.